Hey, howdy, friends. It's Steve DePoe here with the Rose Realty team. This week's real estate vlog for North Texas, indestructible kitchen materials. So what materials can you put in your kitchen? Might cost you a little bit more money, but are going to be like virtually indestructible and they're going to last a long time. Before we get into that, a favor, please go to YouTube and search for at moving to Dallas. That's our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to it. That would really help us out. Really kind of move us to the top of that search list. Anyway, getting back to the indestructible kitchen materials. So first of all, quartz. Quartz has actually come a long way in terms of its production and its use in the kitchen. Has a really hefty price tag. Okay, don't get me wrong, but they also carry a really big promise of like basically no maintenance ever. Okay, which is got its pluses and minuses. You don't have to do anything to it. You don't have to prep it. You don't have to seal it. Things like granite and marble, you have to seal. Okay, but quartz, you kind of put it on there. It's basically indestructible. It's really a tough material, and you don't have to do any maintenance or prep work on it. Vinyl floors. We kind of talked about vinyl floors a couple of weeks ago when we were talking about high-end vinyl flooring. So again, high-end vinyl flooring is resistant to kind of like tears and scuffs and scratches and all of that kind of stuff. You can though, depending on, so here's the and vinyl flooring runs around $11 a square foot. Okay, can go in any room of your house. I keep it out of the garage though. Any room in your house, even houses, even rooms that have water, like your bathroom and your kitchen and your laundry room. Okay. The rub on this here, although it's good stuff, is that depending on your furniture and the weight of it, if you drag furniture around on it, you can scuff it and you can gouge it, and then you would have to kind of replace a section of it. Okay. Now the good news is that chances are that section is going to match when you go get a new piece of it. It's going to match what got damaged, and it's easy enough to kind of pick up. A professional is easy enough to kind of pick up and replace it. It's really durable. But it does have the ability, depending on how you care for it, to mar. Okay. Glazed ceramic tile floors. It'll literally outlast the house and us. Okay. So you put it down and you put down the glazed ceramic tile floor. It'll last like forever. Okay. It's a natural material. Okay. And they glaze it or seal it. Okay, and it'll last like forever. Okay, there's a lot of different design possibilities, a lot of things you can get, like stone, and you can get simulated wood and stone surfaces and brick surfaces and different kind of tile surfaces. And once you seal it, okay, it's not gonna absorb, so it's not gonna absorb anything. It's not gonna discolor, and so at the end of the day, it's gonna like last forever, and it's gonna be super high durable. Good area for this again is in wet areas like kitchens and dining room, kitchens and bathrooms and laundry rooms, plus also high traffic areas, including the family room, in the middle of the family room, etc. And finally, stainless. Next to last is stainless steel sinks. Stainless steel sinks will last forever. Okay, I mean, we have a lot of sinks out there right now. Excuse me, that are made out of polymer, made out of some type of plastic. There are some that are made out of natural materials like stone. Okay, but a stainless steel sink will virtually last forever. I mean, you can go and go to do rehabs on old farmhouses, and they still got a stainless steel sink in there. Okay, it does have the possibility. If you really try, you can gouge it with a sharp object, a knife. If you drop something heavy in there, it can dent. But it will virtually last forever and be indestructible. And finally, to kind of play off on that, stainless steel backsplashes. You could put a stainless steel backsplash with a pattern on it. That'll kind of add a little bit of pop to your kitchen. And again, it'll last forever. It won't rust. It'll clean up nicely. And you can keep it polished so that it's got kind of like a shine and a sheen to it. Okay. So stainless steel backsplashes, although they're not tremendously popular right now in your traditional kitchens, and the higher end kind of fancy kitchens and whatnot, they are becoming popular, and and the price is coming down. They're a little pricey, but the price is coming down because they are kind of gaining some form of popularity. So brass, copper, stainless steel, all good choices for all good choices for backsplash, especially if you do a lot of cooking in your kitchen, and you got to, you've got to do a lot of cleaning. Next week, how long does a remodel take? Hey, we're going to take a look at 4 different types of remodels, and 4 different remodels of rooms rather, and see how long and how much it kind of could cost, so that you have an idea as we go into the future. And maybe you decide, well, maybe it's too much to remodel, or take too long to remodel, I want to sell. Or if you want to add some additional value to your house before you sell, this is always a good idea because it gives you that comparison of time and cost. Okay, so stay tuned for that. This is Steve. I am with the Rose Realty team. Bye bye.